Hola Amigos, welcome to Insights. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. If you've already been here and haven't yet subscribed, please do it right away and don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified whenever we come up with more such insightful videos.
To make this lip scrub, you'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar acts gentle on the lips and exfoliates them well without causing any discomfort. You can also use brown sugar instead. To this add half to 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder, which is full of vitamin C. It fights hyperpigmentation, dead skin and dryness. Then add quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric has mild bleaching properties that lightens the lips. Turmeric can elevate hyperpigmentation and restore your lips' original color. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil softens and moisturizes chapped lips quite nicely. And lastly, add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Almond oil can work wonders in making your lips supple and help you get rid of pigmentation. Mix all these ingredients really well. If you are someone who wears lipstick pretty much almost every day, the skin on the lips build up and causes the lips to appear darker, and that looks cringy, right? So this lip scrub is all that we need. Its ingredients possess all those properties that can lighten the dark lips while making them soft and moisturized. Take a clean and dry container and transfer this lip scrub into it. Daily lip exfoliation is not necessary for healthy lips because too much of a good thing can potentially dry out the lips. So I would recommend to exfoliate 1 to 3 times per week. You can store this lip scrub easily for 2 to 3 months. And here's our lip scrub ready. Do let us know in the comment section below what you feel about it.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, do let me know in the comment section below. I'd appreciate any feedbacks and inputs, and I'll try my best to use them in my upcoming videos. Until next time, take care. Auf Wiedersehen. Wassalama.